How to unlock your cell phone if it has a password or a Google account. In this video tutorial, we'll explain step by step how you can fix and recover your cell phone if you change the screen lock, or if you forgot it. In this video tutorial, we'll explain how to remove the pattern or password from your device. We'll also explain how to bypass the Google account and go directly to the home screen. We recommend watching the video tutorial step by step so you don't miss any details. We also want to know what model you reusing this method on because it sometimes doesn't work. If it doesn't work for you, don't worry. We'll send you a video tutorial specifically for your model. Tell us in the comments what model it is and why it's locked. Now that we've said all that, what we're going to do is press the power button to turn off our phone, volume up button. Now we're going to press the power button and the volume up button. At the same time, when the logo appears, release the power button, keeping only the volume up button. Now scroll down to where it says wipe data and tap yes. Scroll down again and tap wipe cache and tap yes. Now scroll down to where it says wipe data again and tap factory data reset. Now tap wipe cache a second time. Now, for the third time, tap wipe cache, then wipe factory data, and then wipe cache. Now we're going to restart our phone. We're going to wait for our phone to take us directly to the home screen. When our phone takes us directly to the home screen, we'll be finishing this recovery process. We'll wait a few seconds for it to take us to the home screen, and we'll be finishing the whole process. That's why it's always recommended to watch a step-by-step video tutorial so you don't miss any details. Now, we're going to do a method where we will be bypassing the Google account in the easiest way, and quickly. Let us know in the comments which model it didn't work on for you. We're going to pause this video tutorial since this process usually takes 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, our phone has restarted now. What we're going to do is click here. Click next, then click here. If you have a SIM card inserted in your phone, I recommend removing it. Click skip. Click here to continue offline, and now click next. This takes us to Google Play Services. Click accept. Click skip here, click skip again, click next, click skip again. We'll wait a few seconds. We'll wait until it takes us directly to the following settings. We'll wait. We'll wait until it takes us directly to the home screen. When it takes us directly to the home screen, this video tutorial has been successful, as we indicated at the beginning of the video. Tell us what model you have. If our video tutorial worked for you, and write to us. If it hasn't worked for you yet, let us know in the comments what model you have so we can send you an exclusive video tutorial for your preferred model. Now that we've reached the beginning, what we need to do is configure it.